Hi everyone, welcome back to Chef J Cooks.
Today I'll be making tofu gratin. It's a comforting dish featuring creamy tofu, melted cheese, and the rich flavor of miso paste. Slice the potatoes thinly and microwave for 2 minutes. Thinly slice the onion. In a large bowl, whisk the tofu until smooth. Add soy milk and miso paste, then mix until creamy. Season with salt and pepper. Heat butter in a frying pan over low heat. Add the onion and cook until soft. Add the green peas and potatoes, then stir fry for a few minutes. Pour the tofu cream into the pan and mix well. Transfer everything to a baking dish. Place plenty of shredded cheese on top. Bake at 180 degrees for 10 minutes or until golden brown. Serve hot and enjoy. I hope you enjoy this tofu gratin.
いただきます。
At the end of this 14-day series, all recipes with links to the videos will be packaged in a downloadable PDF. Stay tuned for details on how to get it. Is tofu healthy? Yes, tofu is packed with nutrients and is a great addition to any diet. It's high in protein, low in calories, and contains essential minerals like calcium and iron. Some of the benefits of tofu include supporting a healthy digestive system, promoting healthy blood vessels, and helping to maintain skin firmness and moisture. Tofu is truly a healthy and nutritious food.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.